Hatred is never appeased by hatred in this world. By non-hatred alone is hatred appeased. This is an eternal law. This verse teaches a universal truth. Hatred cannot be overcome by more hatred. The only way to truly end conflict, resentment, and hostility is through compassion, understanding, and forgiveness. This principle is timeless and applies to both personal and global conflicts. Responding to hate with more hate only creates a cycle of suffering. Revenge or anger fuels more negativity, leading to endless conflict. The only way to break the cycle is by responding with love, patience, and wisdom. This does not mean tolerating injustice, but rather choosing a response that leads to peace rather than further destruction. This truth is not limited to any time, place, or culture. It is a universal principle that has always been true and will always remain true. One day, a man insulted the Buddha. Instead of reacting, the Buddha calmly asked, "If someone offers you a gift, but you refuse to take it, to whom does it belong?" The man replied, "To the giver." The Buddha then said, "Likewise, I do not accept your anger. It remains with you." The story of the Buddha and the angry man teaches us that we are not obligated to accept negativity from others. Just as we can refuse an unwanted gift, we can also choose not to absorb hatred, anger, or insults. By remaining calm and not reacting with hostility, we break the cycle of negativity and protect our inner peace. True strength lies in maintaining control over our emotions rather than being controlled by them. Hatred cannot be overcome by more hatred. Only compassion, understanding, and wisdom can truly end the cycle of negativity. By practicing patience and kindness, we create a more peaceful world, starting within ourselves. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.